Brazilian waxing isn't just a quick fix. One session gives results, but the journey doesn't end there. Lasting smoothness comes from understanding the process and from committing to it. This guide will walk you through every step. The science, the aftercare, the schedule, and the advanced techniques. By the end, you'll know how to turn one wax into a lifestyle upgrade. One wax clears the surface, but hair grows in cycles. Some hairs are visible now. Others are still beneath the skin. That's why regrowth can look uneven after the first time. Consistency solves this. Each appointment addresses more of the cycle. The result is finer regrowth, softer hair, and smoother skin that lasts. Aftercare shapes your results. Exfoliate gently 2 to 3 times per week. This keeps pores clear and prevents ingrowns. Moisturize daily with a light, fragrance-free lotion. This calms irritation and keeps skin supple. But remember the rules. No harsh products. No tanning beds. No tight synthetic fabrics. Care equals protection. And protection equals smoothness. Timing makes the difference. Most experts recommend every 4 to 6 weeks. Too soon, and the hair isn't ready. Too late, and the cycle resets. Staying consistent weakens regrowth. Each session feels easier. Less discomfort. Better results. Healthier, smoother skin over time. Once you've mastered the basics, you can refine your care. Lightweight serums with salicylic acid reduce stubborn ingrowns. Exfoliating and moisturizing the night before improves results. Gentle light therapy can brighten tone. It can reduce pigmentation. It can support long-term skin health. Small steps create elevated results. Every skin journey is unique. Some people notice sensitivity. Others see uneven growth. But with time, these challenges fade. Appointments become shorter. Results last longer. Discomfort decreases. The real luxury isn't only smoothness. It's freedom. Freedom of confidence. Freedom of time saved. Freedom of effortless skin. Brazilian waxing is more than a beauty choice. It is a long-term self-care strategy. If this guide gave you clarity, subscribe to MTH Health. Share this with someone curious about waxing. And let's raise the standard for self-care together.